Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you several effective steps to fix common errors in Google Chrome. If you're experiencing issues like pages not loading properly or unexpected browser errors, these methods can help restore normal performance. Let's go step by step, starting with the basics. First, make sure your Google Chrome browser is fully up to date. Open Chrome, click on the three dots in the top right corner, scroll down to Help, and select About Google Chrome. Chrome will automatically check for updates and install them if available. Keeping your browser updated is important because updates often include bug fixes and performance improvements. Once the update is complete, relaunch the browser and check if the issue is resolved. Next, move on to clearing your browsing data. Click on the three dots again, go to Settings, and then open Privacy and Security. From there, click on Clear Browsing Data. Switch to the Advanced tab, set the time range to All Time, and select all options except passwords and autofill data. Then click Clear Data. This step helps remove corrupted cache files or cookies that might be causing the problem. After that, you can reset Chrome settings to their default state. In the Settings menu, scroll down and find Reset Settings, then click on Restore Settings to their original defaults. Confirm the reset when prompted. This will disable extensions and reset configurations without deleting your personal data, which can fix many hidden issues. Now let's move to a more advanced method. Open the Start menu, search for Command Prompt, right-click on it, and select Run as Administrator. In the command window, type the following command and press Enter: ipconfig/flushdns. This command clears your DNS cache and helps resolve connectivity issues. After that, type another command, netsh winsock reset. Press Enter again to execute it. Once both commands are completed, close the window and restart your computer. This ensures all changes are applied properly. As an additional step, you can open an incognito window in Chrome by pressing Ctrl, Shift, and N and try accessing the website there. If the website works in incognito mode, the issue may be caused by an extension or cached data in your regular browsing session. By following these steps, updating Chrome, clearing browsing data, resetting settings, and refreshing network configurations, you should be able to resolve most common Chrome errors. That's all for this video. If this guide helped you, consider sharing it with others who might be facing the same issue. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.